is Lexi. I'm Suzanne Ridgway, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make delicious sheet pan pancakes that I saw on TikTok. A great quick way to make pancakes for a flock. And we're going to make up some bacon to go with it. And we're going to do half of the pancakes chocolate chip. That sounds incredible. If you are new here, thank you so much for dropping by and checking me out. Thank you to everyone who supports me each and every day. We are nearly to 700. We are 4 away. Please subscribe so we can issue out the $10 Dollar Tree gift cards. And we can start our next milestone Dollar Tree giveaway when we reach the 700 to get to 800. I'm going to keep on going. Every 100 subscribers, we will issue out 2 $10 Dollar Tree gift cards. All the information that you need for the giveaway will be in the description box down below. And for the items giveaway, we need 4 more. And that information is also in my description box down below. My subscribe guy just popped up. He's asking everybody to go ahead and smash that like button. Don't forget to smash on that subscribe bar down below. And don't forget to tap on that bell. Today we're going to make some pancakes. But we're going to do pancakes in a completely different way than what you're used to. We're going to do sheet pan pancakes. And I saw this on TikTok. I'm going to measure out 2 cups of Bisquick. I've got my measuring cup handy. And all I need are eggs and milk. I use Bisquick with so many things. It is a pantry staple in my house. Dump 2 cups in. Then I'm going to add 2 eggs in. You're going to make chocolate chip sheet pan pancakes. You will need a deep sheet pan, and I will tell you what I mean in a moment. Grabbing my other egg. I'm going to measure out 1 cup of milk. And you're going to mix the batter. Pour it on in. Now, a lot of people didn't like this on TikTok, and I don't know why it was weird. It's a sheet pan, and I can't make perfectly round pancakes like the manufacturers can. So I shy away from making pancakes for my children. And they've been eating the frozen ones. But I wanted to try homemade fresh pancakes with Bisquick this morning. Bisquick has been around forever. I use it to make biscuits, and I use it to make dumplings and muffins, quick breads. It is almost the perfect flour. Except I cannot make cornbread with it unless I have the cornmeal. Then I could probably attempt it and modify the recipe to my needs. Make sure all of the ingredients are blended in well. You don't want anything dry. These I picked up at the Dollar Tree. Some of my sweet chocolate chips. I'm not going to add them into the bowl. I have my sheet pan here. I'm going to move that out of the way. I'm going to spray it well. And then I'm going to pour pancake batter onto the sheet pan. I'm going to mix up a second bowl to make sure it covers the sheet pan completely. Without making them thin. We don't want thin pancakes. Make sure all that is out of the bowl. Went ahead and whipped up more pancake batter. You should have plenty to spread through. So they're not thin. You're going to gradually run to the other end of the pan as well, like molasses because it's thick. Make sure all the batter is out of the bowl. Let's open up the chocolate chips. I'm going to put chocolate chips on one side. If you wanted to, you can put blueberries on the other side. I cannot believe all the mean comments because they were in a sheet pan and not round on that TikTok video. People are ruthless. I feel bad for the person. I thought it was pretty brilliant. Doing a sheet pan if you have a large family and you want to get pancakes done quickly. What's wrong with a square pancake? It tastes the same. Now to modify the recipe for the oven, I have my oven preheated at 350 degrees. I'm going to put it in for about 10 minutes and then I'll check it at 10 minutes. And when it's golden brown on the top, they'll be done. Just test them with a fork like you would a muffin. Let's put them in the oven. Here's what they look like. When they're done, I'll show you what they look like. I'm going to time them for about 10 minutes. And then I'm going to prep my bacon from my food pantry haul. I got a pound of bacon, and we're going to have bacon today. It's Veterans Day. We're going to make a nice, awesome breakfast. Let's cut the bacon open. It is by Appleton, and we got it in our food pantry run, as I mentioned. Now I'm setting up the bacon. I have some foil down at the bottom of the cookie sheet to keep the cookie sheet from getting coated with a ton of bacon grease because it's hard to clean. A little tip, if your foil or parchment paper folds up, put some water down on it and it will hold it in place like glue. Works every time like a charm. Now you're going to lay these down vertical all the way across. I have a cooling rack from Dollar Tree and then a rack that was on our Baconator that we picked up years ago. I don't even think they carry them anymore. This cooks a lot of bacon and it comes out nice and crispy all the time, not slimy. Sometimes too crispy, but not very often. And we can cook the entire pound. Let's check on those pancakes. There's 3 minutes left, and look how nice and fluffy they are turning into a nice big pancake cloud with chocolate chips. This is going to be awesome. Here's what the bacon looks like before it goes into the oven. It fit the entire package on this new way that David likes to make bacon when we bake it. Now I'm going to fork test the pancakes so they don't burn. Got the fork here. They're going to need more time, so I'm going to give them another 10 minutes. I went ahead and put the bacon in, and I'm going to put that in for another 10 minutes once the timer beeps because it needs to be in for 20. I'm checking on the pancakes again. And the pancakes are done, so we're going to take them out. The bacon looks really good. It's nice and crispy looking. It needs 11 more minutes. Here are the pancakes. Half chocolate chip, half without. Here's a quick hack for doing sheet pan pancakes, which the lady didn't even think of on TikTok. You're going to use a pizza cutter. You're going to cut in lines. All the way through. And they look nice and fluffy. I cut them down just a little more with my knife here, because I don't want a ton of pancakes. Look at how perfect they came out. And then the bacon. Just add some syrup or favorite toppings like fruit or whipped cream or ice cream, whatever you want on your pancakes. And with the bacon, it looks really good. We're going to pour just a little bit of syrup on the pancakes. Look at that. That comes out really fast, that syrup, so be careful with your syrup. Thank you for watching me all the way to the end. I hope you enjoyed these sheet pan pancakes to make pancakes for a flock with some bacon. If you are new, thank you for checking me out and giving me a chance. Thank you to everyone who supports me every day. Don't forget, we are 4 away from the milestone giveaway and the items giveaway. All that information is down below in my description box. My subscribe guy just popped up. He's asking everyone to go ahead and smash that like button. Don't forget to smash on that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to tap on that bell.